When I will ask ChatGPT to create an image for me, or when I will ask Meta, Facebook or Instagram to make an AI image for me, it's not as cool as Midjourney
No,
and very limited.
no, no. Well, the it's doing something different. So all of these different tools are proud of one thing or another. And for example, ChatGPT has very good prompt adherence, meaning you can tell it, and so does Nano Banana. You can tell it to do all kinds of things and it will listen to you and do it exactly, but it will be ugly. It's not very pretty, but it'll do it very literally.
Yeah,
And
it
what
will.
what Midjourney is competitive for? Midjourney is competitive because it can do beauty and aesthetics. So at Nano Bananas, actually, its strongest is editing existing pictures using
Hmm.
natural language to edit existing pictures. ChatGPT is strongest for prompt adherence, and Midjourney is strongest for aesthetics. And combining them in a multi AI workflow, like where you move between them to use them for their strengths, is really the most amazing thing. I've done some really great things um,
Hmm.
by starting in one tool and moving it to another and moving to the other, and ultimately taking it to Midjourney to make it beautiful.